My name is Jack. Thanks for tuning into this video. MD1 wireless MIDI system from XVIVE Audio. The XVIVE MD1 is a simple little device that allows you to wirelessly connect your general MIDI devices, such as your MIDI controllers, your synthesizers, to Bluetooth devices like your iPhone, your iPad, or even your MacBook. Additionally, if you purchase two MD1 systems, you'll actually be able to connect them together, allowing you to connect a synthesizer to a MIDI controller, a synthesizer to another synthesizer, or a synthesizer to your DAW setup via a MIDI interface. This is going to be about as quick of an unboxing as it gets. All we got to do here, pop open the tab, and the MD1 is going to be in here. It was wrapped in plastic the first time I opened it, but I had to kind of tear it off and there was no putting it back on, so you'll have to pretend that it's there. MD1 comes in two different pieces here. There's the main brain of the MD1. This is the part that goes in the output port of your MIDI device. It's also the part that gets powered. You have to use this piece, otherwise none of it works. You don't have to use this piece. This is the piece that goes into the MIDI in connection, but it also gets connected to your main output brain part, and then they can work together as a MIDI in and an out. But again, you do have to use this main piece. The only other thing in the box is the instruction manual. Setup for the MD1, like I said, was super simple, so I really didn't need the manual too much. All in all, it's enough to get you going.